Good morning students. Today I am explaining DCTR's 7 marks important sum. Given L plus M plus N equal 0. This is equation 1. L square plus M square minus N square equal 0. This is equation 2. L equal to minus M minus N. Substitute in equation 2. Minus M minus N whole square plus M square minus N square equal 0. M square plus N square plus 2mn plus M square minus N square equal 0. N square cancel. 2m square plus 2mn equal 0. 2m common. M plus N equal 0. M equal to 0. M equal to minus N. Case 1. M equal to 0. Substitute M equal to 0 in equation 1. L plus 0 plus N equal 0. L equal to minus N. Okay. L is to M is to N. That is minus N is to 0 is to N. Minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. The DCs are minus 1 by root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. 0 by root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. 1 by root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. That is minus 1 by root 2, 0 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Okay. Case 2. M equal to minus N. M equal to minus N. Substitute in equation 1. L minus N plus N equal 0. That is L equal to 0. That is L is to M is to N. That is 0 is to minus N is to N. That is 0 comma minus 1 comma 1. The DCs are 0 by root of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 1 by root 2. That is 0 comma minus 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. Okay. The angle between the lines are cos theta equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. That is cos theta equal to minus 1 by root 2 into 0 plus 0 by root 2 into minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. That is cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta equal to cos 60. Theta equal to 60. This is the answer.